Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. The jewelry world is glittering with fresh trends, innovations, and breathtaking designs. Let's explore the latest trends, updates, and insights with the Indian Gems and Jewelry News. The Gem and Jewelry India International Fair 2025, South India's flagship jewelry trade exhibition, ended on a high note at the Chennai Trade Center with 1,800 stalls, 1.5 million designs, and 20,000 trade visitors from September 12 to 14th. The 13th edition of the Delhi Jewelry and Gem Fair opened at Bharat Mandapam. Concluded successfully on 15 September, the show brought together leading exhibitors setting the stage for festive season sourcing. The 5th edition of Shakti honoring women achievers, organized by Informa Markets in association with Swar Media Network, happened on 14 September 2025. Trophy partner Prima Art presented the awards as the event recognizes trailblazing women who have made outstanding contributions to the gem and jewelry industry. The 15th edition of the Gujarat Gold Jewelry Show took place from September 15 to 17, 2025 at the Helipad Exhibition Centre in Gandhinagar. Spanning over 2.8 lakh square feet, the event featured more than 600 exhibitors and 1,000 plus stalls, showcasing a diverse range of jewelry from traditional gold and diamond pieces to contemporary designs. The 8th edition of Hamara Apna Show GJS, organized by GJC, came to a close at the Geo World Convention Centre Mumbai from September 16 to 19, 2025. The show brought together 400 plus exhibitors across 700 plus booths and welcomed over 15,000 trade visitors, setting a strong tone for the festive season. The 4th edition of the GJC Next Gen Excellence and Artisan Awards 2025, held in association with Swar Media Network at GJS 2025, honored innovation, creativity, and craftsmanship in India's gems and jewelry sector. The evening recognized emerging leaders and master artisans. The Javeri Bazaar Gems and Jewelry Festival 2025 launched on 22 September 2025. The event was graced by Shri Ashish Shelar, Cabinet Minister, and Shri Rahul Narvekar, Speaker, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. The festival is running till 26 October, with the main exhibition from 6 to 16 October. The festival brings together 7,000 plus jewelry retailers and international buyers, offering business meetings, exclusive showcases, cultural events, and a prize pool of 3 crore rupees, including gold, silver, SUVs, and luxury items. PNG Jewellers, India's 193-year-old jewelry icon, is marking Navratri 2025 with a grand expansion, 6 new standalone showrooms and 4 lifestyle shop-in-shop counters across Maharashtra and Central India, including Mumbai, Pune, Lucknow and Nagpur. Sky Gold and Diamonds has partnered with Senco Gold and Diamonds to introduce an exclusive 9-carat gold jewelry collection. This collaboration aims to meet the growing demand for affordable, stylish, and contemporary designs, particularly among Gen Z consumers. Reva Diamonds, the certified natural diamond and platinum jewelry brand from P&G Galansons, has opened its first exclusive store in Pune, offering 18-carat gold and platinum pieces. Kalyan Jewellers celebrates artistry and innovation with its Art Nouveau-inspired collection and Uscape line. The Art Nouveau range blends flowing gold, stylized flowers, and wine-like chokers, merging Indian craftsmanship with European elegance. Meanwhile, Uscape embraces vibrant colored gemstones in pastel hues, offering modern brides and jewelry lovers pieces that are both contemporary and heirloom-worthy. Swar Gems had the honor of being the official crown partner for the prestigious Miss Fab India 2025, creating all the magnificent crowns that symbolized beauty, elegance, and excellence, along with special gifts to all the winners. Dr. Rajendra Jain, gracing the occasion as a guest of honor, had the privilege of crowning the winners of the Grand Beauty Pageant. Now speaking about the world of international gems and jewelry news. The Vicenzauro September 2025 edition, organized by Italian Exhibition Group, concluded with a 3% increase in visitors compared to the previous edition. Hosting 1,200 plus exhibitors from 30 countries and buyers from 130 nations, the B2B Jewelry Gold and Watchmaking exhibition offered unmatched networking and business opportunities. SAJEX 2025, organized by GJPC, ended with notable achievements at the Jeddah Superdome, running from September 11th to 13th. Hosting over 200 exhibitors across 250 booths, the fair showcases global craftsmanship, investment opportunities, and the Middle East's rising stature in the international luxury jewelry trade. The 72nd Bangkok Gems and Jewelry Fair finished strongly from September 9 to 13, 2025, at QSNCC, organized by DITP and GIT. The event featured global networking, exhibitions, and the Thailand Gold Forum. Signet Jewelers' strategic emphasis on lab-grown jewelry has proven successful, as evidenced by their stronger-than-expected Q2 performance. The company reported a 3% year-over-year sales increase to $1.54 billion, with same-store sales rising 2%. Jared Jewelers unveils storied Diamond Desert Sands of Eternity, a traceable natural diamond collection integrating blockchain technology. Each diamond comes with a QR code linking to its digital passport, revealing origin, transformation, and GIA certification. Graf has unveiled several stunning new high jewelry collections, including Tribal, 1963, Galaxia, Sunrise, and the 50th anniversary Butterfly Suite, each distinguished by bold gemstone narratives, technical mastery, and thematic storytelling that ranges from cosmic to historic and symbolic. Chopard's Ice Cube High Jewelry Collection reinterprets its iconic cube motif with a modern, minimalist touch. Crafted in ethically sourced 18-karat rose gold and adorned with diamonds, the collection blends sculptural geometry with elegance. Bulgari has opened its largest Japanese exhibition, Kaleidos, Colors, Cultures and Crafts, at the National Arts Center, Tokyo. Running until 15 December 2025, it features nearly 350 masterpieces, including high jewelry and contemporary art, exploring color, symbolism, and the shared cultural ties between Italy and Japan. Cartier has launched its largest Asian flagship in Tokyo's Ginza district, spanning 4 floors of the Hulik Ginza Sukiyabashi building. Rio Tinto has launched its final diamond auction, Beyond Rare, featuring 52 lots totaling 45.44 carats from its closed Argyle mine and the soon-to-close Diavik operation. The auction, marking the end of an era for these iconic mines, is open until 20th October 2025, with viewings in Hong Kong, Australia, and Antwerp. Now, let's turn to the latest in Indian fashion news. India's Goods and Services Tax Overhaul, effective 22nd September 2025, increased taxes on apparel priced above 2,500 rupees from 12% to 18%. This change, part of a broader tax reform, has raised concerns among global fashion brands like Zara, Levi's, H&M, and Uniqlo, as the premium apparel segment is driven by price-sensitive young consumers who now face higher costs. Kalki Fashion has raised 225 crore rupees in its series of funding round, led by Lighthouse Funds, to accelerate its retail expansion in India and internationally, enhance its digital and supply chain capabilities, and fuel product innovation. Myntra has introduced a B2B platform allowing registered businesses to purchase fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products directly. Featuring over 10,000 brands and 4 million SKUs, GST-compliant invoicing, and supply chain support, the platform streamlines procurement and enhances transparency for business buyers this festive season. Tasva inaugurated its flagship store on Rash Bihari Avenue, Kolkata. Spanning 2,500 square feet, the store offers a curated collection of kurtas, bandh galas, sherwanis, and Indo-westerns. Lakme Fashion Week and FDCI mark 10 years of Nexa with a grand celebration in Delhi, spotlighting the brand's decade-long association with fashion and innovation. The evening featured a showcase by alumni of Nexa Presents Spotlight, which has launched some of India's most promising designers. Designer duo Shantanu and Nikhil also previewed Velora, their first women's wear line, inspired by the Phantom Black Grand Vitara. And lastly, the exciting international fashion news. New York Fashion Week SS26, held from September 5th to 12th, 2025 showcased a fresh perspective on traditional menswear, where designers like J. Press, Sivan, Todd Snyder, and Bugatti reimagined tailored jackets and pleated trousers, and gender-fluid influences were visible across runways. Accessories played a starring role, oversized belts and leather pouches, while pastels and high-contrast tones refreshed classic prep aesthetics. Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week Madrid concluded successfully from September 17 to 21, 2025, celebrating its 40th anniversary with innovative formats and expanded venues. International collaborations are a highlight, including Carolina Herrera's debut main collection presentation. The Ego runway continued to showcase emerging designers, emphasizing fresh talent. Milan Women's Fashion Week Spring and Summer 2026 running from September 23 to 29, 2025. The week featured a mix of established and emerging designers, drawing international buyers, media, and stylists. Giorgio Armani's final show and 50th anniversary tribute celebrated his iconic silhouettes. Demna Gvasalia debuted his first collection for Gucci, La Famiglia, blending heritage with avant-garde designs. Emerging designers such as Moja Rova, Victor Hart, Henry Paris, and Davi showcased innovative perspectives. London Fashion Week Spring and Summer 2026 wrapped up, celebrating a vibrant mix of established and emerging designers. The week emphasized inclusivity, sustainability, and support for young talent. Renowned designers like Burberry, Simone Rocha, and Roksanda wowed audiences with signature styles, including Roksanda's sculptural pieces inspired by Barbara Hepworth. Emerging talents such as Oscar Ouyang, Talia Bayer, and Arun Aish brought experimental knitwear, explorations of home and identity, and bold, nature-inspired designs. Indian designer Anamika Khanna made her London debut with AK-OK, blending nostalgia and modern craftsmanship, while celebrity attendees added glamour. Givenchy's latest, sliced square ballerina, flat reinterprets 1950s Hubert de Givenchy couture through Sarah Burton's Fall and Winter 2025 lens, featuring a sharply sliced square-toe silhouette and branded elastic strap that mirrors the gross-grain detailing of the collection's microlint dresses. Christian Louboutin's Winter 2025 collection fuses expressive patterns and refined craftsmanship across both women's and men's lines. That's all for today. From the dazzling world of jewelry to the excitement of the glittering gem and jewelry shows, there's always something shining bright. Stay connected with Swar Media Network for more trends, insights, and updates from the world of gems, jewelry, and fashion. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शब ख़ैर।